Elections are the foundation of a democratic system. They allow citizens to choose their representatives and have a say in how they are governed. This is about collective decision making, but not about turning a profit. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Elections, often heralded as the epitome of democratic expression, are far more complex and multifaceted than a mere celebration of democracy. While they are a vital component of democratic systems, ensuring that citizens have a voice in selecting their representatives, the broader dynamics of democracy and governance reveal a landscape rich with challenges, intricacies, and imperfections. The outcome of elections directly impacts the direction of a country or region. Policies on education, healthcare, infrastructure, and social issues are all determined by elected officials. These choices have a profound effect on people's lives. While money does play a role in elections, with campaign funding and advertising, it should be the sole driving force. The focus should be on the candidates' ideas, qualifications, and their ability to represent the people effectively. Citizens generally fulfill their duties by participating in elections, paying taxes, and abiding by the law. Despite these efforts, they often face limited choices in the political arena, as political options might not always align with their values or needs. The real challenges emerge from how the political system operates and how politicians wield their power. Understanding the business of elections is crucial for unraveling the operational ropes of democracy. Each component, from campaign financing to voter behavior, contributes to the overall functioning of the democratic system. Nobody knows how much is spent in this celebration of democracy, black, grey, and white in the same order. The interplay between money, elections, and governance creates a complex and often problematic landscape for democracy. While elections are essential for democratic legitimacy, their current conduct and influence can undermine the very principles they are meant to uphold. Addressing these challenges requires comprehensive electoral and governance reforms, increased transparency, and a collective effort to prioritize the long term well being of the populace over short term political gains. The business model of the elections has indeed evolved into a sophisticated and customized strategy for each political party designed to maximize their chances of winning. This model includes various tactics and strategies aimed at maintaining and enhancing their hold on power. Let's look into today's headlines. NVIDIA's next generation AI chip platform to be rolled out in 2026. NVIDIA Chief Executive Jensen Huang said that the company's next generation artificial intelligence chip platform called Rubin would be rolled out in 2026. The Rubin family of chips will include new graphics, that is GPU, and central processors, that is CPU, as well as networking chips. The new CPU will be called Versa, and the new graphics chips that are used to power AI applications will bundle high bandwidth memory that is made by the likes of SK Hynix, Micron, and Samsung. Instagram's new feature to prioritize and limit interactions to only close friends. To enhance user control and foster more meaningful interactions, Instagram is introducing a new feature that allows users to limit interactions to only those on their close friends list. This optional feature will act as a virtual velvet rope, effectively doing away with the noise from followers outside the user's inner circle. While other followers can still interact with the content, their comments, messages, and tags will be hidden from both the user and the wider Instagram community. Elon Musk's XAI reportedly working on two new modes. Elon Musk's XAI platform is reportedly working on two new modes for the Grok AI chatbot, which is already available to people online and via X platform. It is reported that XAI might soon introduce a Socrates mode for Grok and a DEI mode. Grok already supports two modes, that is normal mode and fun mode, while also announcing a new unhinged mode that offered a different type of Grok answers and personality. Google planning to re-enter AR and VR space. Google is planning a return to the market for augmented and virtual reality, that is AR and VR technologies. The tech giant, along with augmented reality startup Magic Leap, are collaborating and working on building immersive experiences. Google is trying to create a platform that blends the physical and digital worlds. The partnership will combine Magic Leap's AR expertise and optics leadership with Google's technology platforms. OnePlay unveils first of its kind cloud PC service OneSpace. OnePlay has announced the launch of OneSpace, a revolutionary cloud PC service set to redefine how users experience AAA gaming and beyond. Integrated directly into the OnePlay platform, OneSpace grants users access to high-end PC capabilities on any device while eliminating hardware limitations and opening a world of possibilities. Beyond gaming, OneSpace promises a smooth and efficient experience for all PC related tasks. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.